Hi guys, come back again, and this week we talk about how to use Vue.js CLI referred to the command line interface. And before I show you with the beginner to learn and want to learn the Vue.js with the UI user interface that we set up with the link. And this way we use the CLI to include or export from the Node.js. Before we add Vue.js step by step, in the first we start about the course and Prerequisites, and we create the class course for the beginner with to do with the same before, and cover all the main content that I rest the new feature to take use. And Prerequisites when we to become Vue.js to develop application is a must word to know HTML, CS and JavaScript refer to the hardware, and especially refer to the array, and array refer to the filter, map and split operator. And the next we set up, we first develop into your computer. First we start the Node.js, npm and vueCLI, and the last that we to write the code or edit the code with the developer, and to choose the sublimated visual code or editor to easy for you to develop application. And first we download the nodes and go to the JS and download for the window or the language. You can choose the refer to your computer. But for me I use the Windows, so and this is the recommended for the most user to use the version 20.26 with the NTS. When we done, but for me I download already with the Node. I download already, so we click. And this is the Node that you must install. When the download complete already, and we choose the next, and then but for me I installed already, so you can install by yourself. And after finish install, we go to the CLI. You can typing the Vue install CLI, and then we click. And this how to use the installation and Nodes version requirement. We download already, and after we copy, or you can use the Jan global and vueCLI with the Ubuntu like Notch, but for me I use the window, so I copy. We go to the command line interface on the command shell, and I pass to brackets enter to install the package as with the npm install vueCLI. That we easy to use the command refer to the create component, create component, create switch, or another that you want to use. And then press enter. But for me I installed already. When we installed already, so we go to the I create new package. I use the Vue.js CLI. CLI filter. So I will click here to GitHub. If you have no with the GitHub, you use the command prompt and find to our package you that with your flat to create, so I use the use and create use CLI okay, press enter to create the package. So now I press enter. Nothing, and this time you create you to install the CLI plugin. This might take us several minutes into your directories. Okay, I installed the package complete. So if you want to change the version, we copy and I go here, and you can just, and we have to check the version. Okay, and this is the version vue-CLI 4.2. Okay, 4.2. So when we check the already, so we go to run the server. Okay, vue-CLI, and we click here. Okay, I choose. Now we start to run the Vue.js. We use the npm and run servers. Okay, and then at running at localhost with the localhost, and the second two we can run with the network address. Okay, and network address you can run on the mobile or another computer with the local, or we can call that the intranet. Okay, for example, I copy, because and this is the I use the link with the internet. Okay, and this is the internet, so we want to change, and ipconfig. So and this is the IP address that we can run, or you can use the local intranet when the connection multi-connection to another computer. Okay, so we copy, okay, to this, and we can run with the local host or run with network. Okay, and network address, so you can say to run on a mobile or on another computer. Okay, and right now we complete to how to install the Vue.js already. So in the next time we learn the step by step how to display what you to and create the variable to store the value, to create the text hello world into display our page. Okay, everybody, don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Okay, say goodbye, and don't forget to meet in the next time with the part 2. Okay, say goodbye.